नमस्ते दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है सिद्धांत चौटिया और आज के इस पॉडकास्ट का टॉपिक है हैप्पीनेस। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। हैप्पीनेस बिगिंस विद व्हाट यू थिंक। इफ यू थिंक पॉजिटिवली अबाउट योरसेल्फ, others and the world around you, your words and actions will follow your thoughts. But too many times we lack faith in ourselves. We don't believe that good things will come to us or that we deserve good things to happen to us and around us. We tend to believe in the things that are getting in our way, that are the stumbling blocks instead of the power within ourselves to capably handle life and all its surprises. Here I want to ask you a few questions. Please answer them honestly by thinking about them. My first question to you is, are you having a good day or are you having a bad day? Think about the answers. My next question to you is, why are you having a good day or why are you having a bad day? First question was, are you having a good day or a bad day? And the second question is, why are you having a good day or a bad day? Sit on these two questions and think about the answers. What is the reason? Why are you having a good day and why are you having a bad day? I hope now you have got the answers. My next question to you, my next and the last question to you is the easiest one to answer. Tomorrow, would you rather have a good day or a bad day? Yes, that is why I said it is the easiest question to answer, because we all know the answer. We want to have a good day, obviously. So the reason why I'm asking you this question is because it links to happiness. We are happy when we have a good day. Now think about the second question I asked. Why? Why am I having a good day or a bad day? Much of the time, our mind is like a balloon in a wind, blown here and there by external circumstances. When things are going well, when they are going our way, we will be happy. But when they don't go well, then our happy feeling disappears. So our happiness is at the whim of our circumstances. So if we want to have a good day, the first thing we need to stop is to stop outsourcing our happiness and outsourcing our unhappiness on people and circumstances. In other words, we need to stop attributing our happiness to the external things, and we need to stop blaming others for our unhappiness. Happiness and unhappiness are states of mind, and therefore their real causes cannot be found outside the mind. So if we have peaceful state of mind, we will be happy regardless of the people and circumstances around us. All of this boils down to 6 simple ways to remain happy all the time. The first one is, there is no way to happiness. Happiness is the way. The first choice of mind is negativity, because that is what is easy. But we all have heard about the secret and the law of attraction. When we tend to be happy, when we are happy, we attract more happiness. The second way to remain happy all the time is discipline your thoughts. We need to learn to draw a line of distinction between issues which need your full time, attention, and those which can be overlooked. The third simplest way, it is important to differentiate between excitement and happiness. Most things around us excites us. Mind is the only thing can make you happy, sad, euphoric, sunken, all. Fourth simplest way is to add fun to your life. Don't just let it go waste. Don't treat your life as the climax scene of the Hindi movie. Ask yourself, which role would you pick up if life were to be a movie? Hyper, melodramatic, and foolish, sentimental? people will never make a mark. Every day could be made fun if you want to. The fifth simplest way is to keep everything simple. The more complex we make, the more shall be the miseries. My learnings out of the working in the metros are in the times to come, only that person will be really successful who will have a genuine smile on the face always, who will be more free than busy, who will be more emotionally competent, healthy, and the one who meditates daily. The sixth simplest way is a healthy body leads to a healthy mind. Add a dash of physical fitness routine to your daily life and see the difference in a few days itself. Studies have proven that just 20 minutes of your brisk exercising of any kind can change your whole outlook towards the issues in your life. खुश रहना एक आदत है, जिसको है उसको है, जिसको नहीं वो कुछ भी कर ले वो खुश नहीं रह सकता. सो हम खुश रहने की आदत डालते हैं. Thank you so much, friends.